unboxing video. Parang awkward kasi yung boxing. Box, di ba yun? Ay, naku! I am now on my way going to Yas Mall Abu Dhabi in the Apple Store, particularly because I'm going to buy everything that I need for my new iPad Pro 2020. Let's go, guys! Welcome to my video, iPad Pro 12.9 2020 unboxing. Where's the Apple Store? Ang haba ng queue! There's the Apple Store. Ang haba ng queue, grabe.
Yes, okay.
Alright. But what if I had the gift card of 500 dirhams and we will be spending for only like, for the, what do you call that? Because I will be using the education store. Education store.
You're supposed to. Have you got any form of ID at all?
I do have my ID. The problem is I forgot my ID. But I'm always. I do have a picture here.
I'll apply. You would.
Yeah, so I can get a discount. Confirm that these 3 items will be under 1 warranty. But as he explained to me, only 2 physical damages for all of them. Not 2 for Magic Keyboard, not 2 for my iPod, and not 2 for my Apple Pencil. Is that correct?
Correct.
And so here are the things that we need for my unboxing. This is my new babies, my iPad Pro, my pencil, and my Magic Keyboard. Okay guys, so it's about time. We're going to do an unboxing video. What? Kulang. More. Okay, we're going to do an unboxing video. Okay, an unboxing video. An unboxing video. An unboxing video. Unboxing video. Unboxing video. An unboxing video. Boxing ba boxing talaga? Boxing. Unboxing video. Ba't ba box, di ba? Unboxing. Unboxing. Boxing. Sabihin na lang kaya bubuksan na lang natin to para tapos na. Shoota. Okay, here we go. I have here all the items that we need to unbox today. I'm going to show you first the Satechi. Yeah. This is the Satechi adapter Apple Pencil. I also have here my Do prepaid SIM card, okay? Because what I've got is actually iPad Pro 2020 Wi-Fi plus cellular. iPod Magic Keyboard for 12.9. I have it in my hand. This is a very ordinary tempered glass because after a week I am going to iStyle for the installation of the full body what's that? The full body phantom plastic something, but that will be for next week. Okay, so also the sides of the iPad will be protected, not only the front but also the side. And finally, my new base. This is actually compatible to any gadget that has USB-C port. So this is also okay for my MacBook and my iPod. Okay, so alright, so for HDMI, for flash drive, this is for the camera, for my SD cards, So, and this one is actually USB-C port. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pala. This one. Alright. Apple Pencil. We'll try to unbox this. Wow. When you buy Apple product, you know, it seems that you don't want to, you know, to break the plastic, because it seems like the plastic is also expensive. Wow. There you go. So beautiful. Where is the apple? Baliktad. Here. The apple. It's true, it's Apple Pencil. And it's so cute. Matte, something like that. So cute. Okay. The tempered glass, as I said, this is very ordinary tempered glass, and it's really a glass. It's really a glass, actually. Okay, but I'm going to change this next week. Only temporary. And now, this one, this magic keyboard. Let's see. Okay, where should I open this? Here. Lahat sila may ganitong eksena. Lala. But this one is actually English and Arabic, and I don't want English and Arabic, but I don't have choice. After 14 days, I'm going to return this. Okay, so they will replace the keyboard that I like. Wow, ang ganda ng feel. Check natin ang logo na hindi ko alam kung nakikita nyo. Yan, this one. Wow! Ang ganda. Ay, may pa-eksena ng ganun. Here it is. Wow! Can you see that? Kaya ayaw ko siya kanya kasi may mga Arabic letters siya. Meron siyang mga Arabic letters na parang feeling mo ang sikip-sikip niya kasi pinaliit lang yung letters ng yung English alphabet kasi sinama nila yung Arabic letters. Ang cute. Wow. Shala. Okay. So, shal. And the trackpad here. Okay, finally, we have our iPad Pro here. Wow. Pro. See that? Wow! Wow! Here it is. Okay. I'm going to show you the specs here. 512 GB, iPad Pro 12.9H, 4th generation, Wi-Fi plus cellular. Eto na. Wow. Grabe. Nakakakilig. Okay, here it is. Okay. 1, 2. Wow. Finally. Ayan po siya. Ang shala. Ang social niya, in fairness. At ang gaan is the camera. At parang ang linis-linis niya. Parang ang linis-linis niya. Siyempre, yung nasa box, etong katsurbahan na to, plus the charger. Ito, bet ko to yung charger na to kasi fast charger yan. And the cable. Okay, so eto na silang lahat. Ang ganda niya, promise. Ang ganda niya. Diba? At sobrang gaan. Mas mas magaan siya kaysa sa keyboard, promise. Alright, so, eto na po siya. Eto na po yung ating magic keyboard. Ayan. Waiting na siya. And eto na po ang ating iPad. Wow. Bigla kong nalaglag si iPad. Shala! Ay, dito na po ng pusa dito sa magic keyboard. Para ka talagang nakalaptop. Para ka talagang nakalaptop. Okay, so eto na siya. Kailangan natin ilagay yung SIM card. So, meron siya kasamang SIM card ejector. Ito, tanggalin muna natin dito. Oh, mabilis din siyang tanggalin. Meron kasi siyang stickers. Ayan, hindi nakikita, pues. Ayan, yung speakers na yan, meron din dito sa baba. And, nung nag-try ako sa Apple, grabe, hindi ako makapaniwala na iPad siya. Grabe yung tunog, promise. Then, take the SIM card. Kasi mayroon akong plan sa kanila sa SIM. So, we're going to turn this on. Alright, we're going to turn this on. Siyempre, ano yung power button? Face ID, guest content, social, continue. Move your head slowly, complete to the circle. This password can be guessed easy. Wala kang pakialam. Use anyway. Okay, so continue. Apple setup later in settings. Yung Apple Pay na yan ay gastos lang yan. iCloud keychain. Don't use iCloud keychain. Oh, Siri. Ito paborito ko si Siri. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, send a message. Ay, bobo ka. Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, how's the weather today? Promise, we know yung iPad. So, eto siya. Ayan na siya. Love, love. Ang natin iset si Kumaring Apple Pencil. Alright. Si Apple Pencil ay kailangan mo siyang idikit sa gilid. Ayan. Na-recognize na si Kumaring Apple Pencil. Wait lang ha. Continue. Double tap. Ganun pa siya ha. Use pencil here. Lock, 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 lock. Double tap. Erase. Ang ganda. Promise. Shala. Complete. Complete setup. Social. Okay. Gusto nyo siyang gamitan kasi ng kahit anong, for example, yung SD card, gusto nyo maglagay dito, ito yung gagamitin nyo na isasaksak nyo lang siya sa gilid. Tapos, ready na siya. O, ready na. Okay guys, so ngayon po, eto kumpleto na. Ayan na po silang lahat. Eto na si Magic Keyboard, eto na si Pencil, eto na si iPad, eto na si Satechi. Eto na ang extra kong iPhone. Eto na si Pencil. At eto na silang lahat. Next week, I'm going to have my review about this iPad Pro as teacher's perspective. Let's see if we can replace our laptop with this very, very bad boy here. Let's check if we can do Excel, Word, PowerPoint presentation. Okay, that ends our unboxing for today. This is like 1 hour of using it, but I know that I will love it. Okay, with the help of this Dragon keyboard and this little monster pen with this Satechi thingy, I know that this will be a very good replacement for my laptop. But I want to make sure of that. I'm going to purchase the Microsoft Office, Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. And by next week, you will know if all of those will be working very smoothly with this iPad Pro 2020. For now, goodbye muna tayo. Maghintay tayo ng iPhone 12 for my next unboxing. Pero ngayon, I'm just gonna need to have a bonding with my new friend here. Goodbye! Mwah!